Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy data on Opay. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So over here at the home page, this is the home page on Opay, and if you want to buy data, you're going to see it after airtime. You're going to see data. So let me go over to data, and you have to put in the number which you want to buy the data on. You can type the number here, you can type it here, and it's going to show the service you are using, and here is showing Globe, which is correct. Then you can go over to the data plan. They have hot plans, it's very cheap. Or you can go over to daily, weekly, monthly, always on, YouTube, and mega, social, special, my G, TV, campus, weekends. So you can choose any of this one that you want. And let me choose the number 3, which is 3 days gig for 855 naira. And you just have to put in, you just have to go over to pay, and they're going to use your password or your face ID, whichever one you want to use, you use it. So this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.